Hello everyone. Welcome to Module 4. In the previous module, we delved into essential project management skills and explored the significance of project management. In today's module, we'll dive into the project management lifecycle, exploring its various stages and processes to gain a comprehensive understanding of how projects are managed from initiation to completion. The project management lifecycle is a framework that outlines the various phases a project goes through from its initiation to its closure. It provides a structured approach to managing projects and ensures that all necessary activities are completed in a logical sequence. Understanding the project management lifecycle is essential for project managers as it helps them effectively plan, execute, and control projects. The project management lifecycle typically consists of 5 phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closure. Each phase has its specific objectives, deliverables, and activities that contribute to the overall success of the project. Let's explore each phase in detail. Initiation. The initiation phase is the starting point of a project. It involves identifying the need for the project, defining its objectives, and determining its feasibility. During this phase, project managers work closely with stakeholders to understand their requirements and expectations. The key activities in the initiation phase include defining the project scope, clearly defining the boundaries and objectives of the project. Conducting a feasibility study, assessing the project's viability, considering factors such as technical, economic, and operational feasibility. Identifying stakeholders, identifying all individuals or groups who have an interest in or will be affected by the project. Developing the project charter, creating a document that formally authorizes the project and provides a high-level overview of its objectives, scope, and stakeholders. In conclusion, the initiation phase serves as the pivotal starting point for any project. It involves thorough examination and clarification of the project's purpose, objectives, and feasibility. Collaboration with stakeholders is paramount during this phase to ensure alignment with their requirements and expectations. Key activities such as defining project scope, conducting feasibility studies, identifying stakeholders, and developing the project charter set the groundwork for successful project execution. By meticulously addressing these aspects, project managers establish a solid foundation for guiding the project through subsequent phases effectively. Planning. The planning phase involves developing a detailed project plan that outlines the approach, resources, and schedule required to achieve the project objectives. This phase is crucial as it sets the foundation for the entire project. The key activities in the planning phase include creating a work breakdown structure, breaking down the project into smaller, manageable tasks to facilitate planning and resource allocation. Estimating project resources, determining the types and quantities of resources required to complete the project activities. Developing a project schedule, sequencing the project activities and estimating their durations to create a timeline for the project. Identifying and managing risks, identifying potential risks that may impact the project and developing strategies to mitigate or respond to them. Creating a communication plan, defining how project information will be communicated to stakeholders and ensuring effective communication throughout the project. Setting project baselines, establishing the initial project scope, schedule, and budget as reference points for measuring project performance. In conclusion, the planning phase serves as the cornerstone of project management, providing a roadmap for achieving project objectives efficiently and effectively. By meticulously detailing the project approach, resource requirements, and schedule, project managers set the stage for successful execution. Key activities such as creating a work breakdown structure, estimating resources, developing a project schedule, identifying and managing risks, creating a communication plan, and setting project baselines ensure clarity, alignment, and proactive management throughout the project lifecycle. Through thorough planning, project teams are better equipped to navigate challenges, mitigate risks, and deliver value to stakeholders within established constraints. Execution. The execution phase is where the project plan is put into action. It involves coordinating and managing the project team, executing the planned activities, and monitoring progress. The key activities in the execution phase include managing the project team, assigning tasks, providing guidance, and ensuring effective collaboration among team members. Monitoring and controlling project progress, tracking the project's performance against the baseline plan, identifying deviations, and taking corrective actions as necessary. Managing project changes, assessing and approving changes to the project scope, schedule, or budget and ensuring that they are properly implemented. Ensuring quality assurance and control, implementing processes to ensure that project deliverables meet the required quality standards. In conclusion, the execution phase is the dynamic stage where the project plan transforms into tangible progress. It demands effective coordination, leadership, and monitoring to ensure tasks are completed as scheduled and within quality standards. By managing the project team, monitoring progress, controlling changes, and ensuring quality assurance, project managers uphold project integrity and facilitate smooth progression towards the desired outcomes. The execution phase is pivotal in translating planning efforts into concrete results, moving the project steadily towards its objectives while adapting to emerging challenges and opportunities along the way. Monitoring and control. The monitoring and controlling phase involves continuously monitoring the project's progress, comparing it to the planned objectives, and taking corrective actions to keep the project on track. The key activities in the monitoring and controlling phase include collecting and analyzing project data, gathering data on project performance, such as actual costs, schedule progress, and quality metrics. Comparing actual performance to planned performance, evaluating the project's progress against the baseline plan and identifying any variances. Taking corrective actions, addressing any deviations from the plan and implementing changes to bring the project back on track. Managing project risks, continuously monitoring and reassessing project risks and implementing risk response strategies as needed. In summary, the monitoring and controlling phase is a continuous process of overseeing project progress and ensuring alignment with planned objectives. By collecting and analyzing project data, comparing actual performance to the baseline plan, and taking corrective actions when necessary, project managers maintain project integrity and mitigate deviations from the desired course. Additionally, effective risk management plays a crucial role in identifying and addressing potential threats to project success. Through vigilant monitoring and proactive control measures, project teams optimize performance, minimize risks, and maximize the likelihood of achieving project goals within established parameters. Closure. The closure phase marks the end of the project. It involves finalizing all project activities, documenting lessons learned, and transitioning project deliverables to the appropriate stakeholders. The key activities in the closure phase include conducting project reviews, evaluating the project's overall performance, identifying successes and areas for improvement. Documenting lessons learned, capturing and documenting the knowledge gained from the project to improve future project outcomes. Handing over deliverables, transferring project deliverables to the stakeholders and ensuring that all contractual obligations are met. Celebrating project success, recognizing and celebrating the achievements of the project team and stakeholders. In summary, the closure phase signifies the culmination of the project lifecycle, where all activities are finalized and project outcomes are formally transitioned to stakeholders. Project reviews are conducted to assess performance and identify lessons learned, which are documented to enhance future projects. Deliverables are handed over, ensuring all contractual obligations are fulfilled, while project success is celebrated, acknowledging the efforts of the project team and stakeholders. By efficiently concluding the project and reflecting on its outcomes, organizations can leverage valuable insights for continuous improvement and success in future endeavors. By following the project management life cycle, project managers can effectively plan, execute, and control projects, ensuring that they are completed on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of stakeholders. It provides a systematic approach to managing projects and helps minimize risks and uncertainties. Understanding the project management life cycle is essential for anyone involved in project management, as it provides a solid foundation for successful project delivery. We hope the knowledge gained during this session enriches your understanding and enhances your project management skills. We look forward to welcoming you back in Module 5. Until then, goodbye, and see you soon.